Good afternoon, children. Hope all are ready to listen to my explanation. Today we'll complete explanation of lesson 1, Down the Rabbit Hole. Yesterday we have seen that Alice drank the liquid in the bottle. Now what happened after she drank? What do you think? Of course you have seen in the module, she became too tiny. She became small. Now she was she happy for that? Yes, she was very happy. Why was she happy? Because now she can easily enter the small door which was in the size of a rat hole and enjoy the garden inside it. But she couldn't get the key. Why? Because the key is left on the three-legged table. The table is too high for Alice to reach. So she couldn't do it. She tried her best. She tried to climb, but she slipped. She couldn't. So at last, what did she do? She started crying. Why did she cry? Because she was not able to get the key on the table in order to open the door. That's why she sat and started crying. Did she cry for a long time? No, children. She didn't cry for a long time. Instead, after few minutes, what did she do? She encouraged herself. She said, "Come, there is no use in crying like that," said Alice to herself rather sharply. What did she say? There is no use in crying, isn't it? If you cry, everything can you get? No, you can get it only from your parents, isn't it? Your parents at times, they say no for your wanting. So immediately what to do? What you will be doing? You start crying until you get it. But this is not so. It is different. She thought if she cries, she may get, but she didn't get. So she didn't continue. Instead, she encouraged herself, saying that there is no use of crying. So here we can see the braveness of this little Alice. And what did she do? She was searching, would there be any chance of opening the door. She didn't worry about her height, but she was worried about opening the door. So she was searching for something else. Immediately, what did she notice? She noticed a box. What did she notice? She noticed a box down the table. She opened it. When she opened the box, she found a small cake on which the words "Eat me" were written. So what did she find in the box? A cake. And on the cake, what is written? "Eat me." Now, do you think Alice will eat this cake? She thought it would be better if she eats the cake because this cake may increase her height. When she drank that liquid in the bottle, she became short. And she expects that if she eats the cake in the box, she will grow bigger. She may increase her height to take the key. So what did she do? She started eating. After eating, while eating, she put her hand on the head in order to observe in which way is she growing. Is she growing in ascending order or descending order? Means is her height increasing or decreasing? For her surprise, she couldn't find anything. For her surprise, she couldn't find anything. Everything was normal. Alice likes to do adventures, isn't it? That's why she came into a rabbit hole. She was excited in opening the door and all. So when after eating the cake, when she found there is nothing special, she thought that there is nothing to excite because Alice had got so much into the way of expecting nothing but out of the way things to happen. She was expecting something but nothing was happening out of her way. What she expected, it is out of her way. And for this and this made Alice think that she is stupid in thinking so, and she set to work, and very soon she finished off the cake. So finally, after eating a bit, she couldn't notice any difference. What she thought, whatever it might be, as I started eating, let me complete it. So she ate the cake completely. This is what your lesson is. Up to here your lesson is. So now let us discuss the question answers. Why did Alice sit down and cry? Why did she cry? Because she couldn't take the key from the table. Children, point to be noted is most of you are writing answers, but you are not able to connect the question with the answer. Now the question is, why did Alice sit down and cry? Alice sat down and cried because she could not get the key on the table, or you can also write she was unsuccessful in reaching the table to get the key. This is what connecting the question with the answer. Seventh one, question 7. What advice did Alice give to herself? What do you learn about her from it? What is the advice she gave? Yes, it is waste of crying. She said that there is no use of crying any longer. So how to start the answer? The advice Alice gave to herself was not to cry anymore, or the advice Alice gave to herself is there is no use in crying. What did you learn about her from it? I have learned that she is brave and encouraging. She is brave and encouraging. You can write, don't write the answer what I've said. Please write the answer in your own words, but connect the question with the answer. Few of you are directly copying the paras as it is without framing it into answer. Please children, notice I have given you some comment like connect the question with the answer and all. It means that you have to add the question part to the answer either in the beginning of this answer or at the end of the answer. Question 8. Why did it seem dull and boring for Alice when everything around her was happening normally? Try to think and write. As I explained, everything was normal. She was the girl who likes to do adventures. When everything was normal, she felt bored. Convert this into answer. Please don't write as it is from the textbook paragraphs. Try to frame them, connect the answer to the question and write. Still, if you have any doubts, please message me. Thank you, children. Bye.